morning, class. As you know, it's a Friday, so in about maybe 5 or 10 minutes, we're gonna go to our assembly.
Hey Isaac McCarthy, can I use the lavatory?
Sure, Bard the Dragon, but be quick. I've got a class to teach, you know.
I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha.
So, children, what is 2 times... Oh shoot! We're having a fire drill! Everyone, get out of here now!
Hello, sir. I'm the city firefighter.
15 minutes later.
So, like I was gonna say, what is 2 times 7?
Bard the Dragon, please report to my office, ASAP.
Ha 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 ha.
So Bard, are you the one who pulled the fire alarm?
Well, to make a long story short, yes.
Go home right now.
Bard the Dragon, how dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it. You are grounded for life. Go to your room now.
Why?